UST off to a good start dito po sa ating set number 2 as we send it now to our Mighty Bond courtside report with Mosi Ravena.
Thanks, Noel. And napansin niyo ba itong si Coach Emil, nagpalit ng position in the second set. So yung spikers niya, nag-iba-iba ng position. Pero sabi nga niya, itong si Guliman will have her eyes only on Mary Jean Balse. So, kailangan yung blocking niya, nakatutok kay Ging Balse. Nakita niyo naman because of that first set. Also, yung coverage should be consistent. Dahil ang daming drop balls ang nabibigay sa kanila ng UST. And specifically, sinabi niya kay Tapahunda na i-delay yung kanyang blocking dahil may hang time tong si Michelle Carolino. On the other side naman, Coach Millet is just very happy on how the team is playing. Aside from just enjoying the game, they're also in full control. Always take care of the coverage, yun lang ang nasabi niya, at yung defense sa likod. Back to you, Coach Ronnie and Noel.
Thank you very much, Mosi Ravena, with our Mighty Bond courtside update. Lyceum is falling apart here in set number 2, down 10-2, Ronnie Manzano.
Tama yung report ni Mosi, but those specifically are on the technical end.
Right.
When you talk about the psychological state of mind right now for Lyceum, there are a lot of doubts that we're seeing from them. And you have to give it to UST, who were in 5th gear right away. Normally, parang diesel ito, mabagal ang panimula. Pero ngayon, ang apak sa silindro talagang todo-todo. Unleaded ang gamit.
Eto ngayon, 10-2, 10-3 now after Portland Santrong is able to score that time.
Only the 4th point, if I'm not mistaken, para dito kay Tip Santrong, as UST's defense has managed to contain the explosion of Santrong. 35 points yan nung game 1.
Artates will sit down. Jamie Peña sees her first action as we take Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. I think Jamie Peña should play a big factor dito in terms of offense para sa koponan ng Lyceum. Now getting used to her role off the bench. And here is Carmela Morales once again. Curato. Maizo. Dug up that time. Here's Morales setting up Santrong. And that will be, parang binigay niya sa mukha nito si Mike Ortiz eh.
So varying her attack, no? At kanina puro power hits ang binibigay dito ni Tip Santrong. Ngayon, mas binabasa na niya yung depensa rito ng Tigers. Or serving 10.
Yep, if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Morales goes wide. Good idea, wrong result. The height discrepancy between Morales and
I was about
Guliman.
to say, I wonder how old Miss Morales is. Napakabata.
13?
Youthful looking.
Youthful. Pero yan, setting up. Santrong again out of position. Santrong's just not getting the set she wants. Carolino.
Oh,
Again, Morales and Santrong not communicating that time.
alam mo, I'm sure that Tip Santrong is also looking at the defense of the Pirates. Kanina pa siya nasa sahig. Pero hindi dahil sa nakakahabol siya ng bola, kundi dahil sa
Naunahan siya.
miscommunication nila.
Bagcore Sports is a proud partner of the Shakey's V-League. Santrong, Cruz, and De La Peña gets it across. Di makulangan. Carolino snuffed out by Guliman.
Finally, Guliman checking Carolino. Still Lyceum away by 7 points from UST. Parang tumangkad itong si Nika Guliman mula
She's
ng
growing.
conference. Ano?
She just turned 21, mga kaibigan, and she's about 6 feet tall already. Nice serve again by Guliman. Here's Carolino out of position and out of bounds.
Well, that set was way behind Michelle Carolino, who had no angle to work with. 6 serving 12. Guliman once again serving well para dito sa Pirates.
And Nika Guliman, of course, a member of the national team. Curato, Maizo, Tabaquero, Guliman on the coverage. Morales, Santrong, Cases saves. Morales goes to the other side for Jamie Peña. Di makulangan. Running attack from Mike Ortiz. Turned back by Santrong. Morales, still alive here. Dalia Cruz. Di makulangan. Carolino, still alive. Morales, Santrong. Di makulangan. And that one goes long. UST lost its patience that time.
Yes, long rally in favor of Lyceum. Pero hindi pa rin makapalo na maayos itong si Tip Santrong. Parang panay balik na lamang ang napupunta sa kanya.
She's waiting for the right set.
But I see you making an early move here in the second set. Oh!
Guliman, that is her second service error of the day. 13-7 right now. Micah Ortiz will serve. J Marks, the best grilled tuna in town. Cruz. Morales. Too far for Santrong. Morales saves it. Peña. And Cruz gets it across. Di makulangan. Carolino blocked there by Dalia Cruz.
Now Dalia Cruz and Nika Guliman able to contain itong si Michelle Carolino. Remember with that report by Mossy, ang focus ito ni Nika Guliman is to check itong si Mary Jean Balse. But somehow defense at the net also able to contain Michelle Carolino's attacks from that side of the floor.
Here's Di Makulangan right now. Balse open. Nobody home.
And she's been in a lot of pressure pack situations. She's proven herself time and time again in the UAAP, here in the B-League. She continues to be one of the best players ever to see action here in the Shakey's B-League.
Here's the setup right now for Joy Cases. And that will be a net violation against Di Makulangan.
Fist pumping a la Tiger Woods. Joy Casas giving. I assume it's 9-point here in the second set. UST's lead is slowly but surely dwindling here amidst this better challenge by Lyceum here in this set.
Artates and Tabafunda check back in. It will be Tabafunda now serving. Nice serve there by Tabafunda. Carolino has to run across. Free ball from Balse. Cruz. Tabafunda sets up Cases. And it looks like a check ball. Yes, from our angle, that was very clear.
That's a good break, though. I felt she really went long. But somehow she got that point here for the Pirates. 10 serving 14. Suddenly the lead is shrunk to only 4.
And serving once again, Tabafunda. There was a game I remember before that Tabafunda served through 7 consecutive points.
Well, the thing here for Lyceum is every time they inch close, they commit a service error. Pretty much the way it happened to Nika Guliman in the previous serve.
Ito si Di Makulangan, minsan lang magkamali sa serve yan.
You called it.
Ayaw ka na.
Parang Eddie Garcia yung tama mo.
Mag-retire na kaya ako sa pagiging sports broadcaster.
Naman.
Payag daw si Barry Pascua. Tasamahan ko na lang siya sa kanyang negosyo. Ito ngayon, si Aiza Maiso, able to dump it in.
Good change-up coming from Di Makulangan.
Exactly, UST now up by 5 in our second technical timeout.